our whooping skits, we angle the camera where they can't really see the ground. So when we hitting, it sounds like we hitting somebody. And that's how that happened, yeah. You know how much money I done made acting like I'm whooping my
How much?
Enough to pay my bills.
So how much the most you'd ever made on YouTube in 1 month?
Probably maybe 100. Ain't nothing compared to you. Yo, over $1 million, ain't it, baby? I see you posting them screenshots. You making
That
like,
ain't
but you making like $300K.
That ain't
random
that ain't
morning.
content though. That's stocks and shit.
That don't matter. That don't matter.